pleasure to be here with you today to present the Startup Lightning Talks. We've invited 4 startups for you to meet, but before that, I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you about our program. So, Startup Exchange was created within MIT Corporate Relations to support MIT-connected startups grow, expand, and solve the world's great challenges. And we do that by fostering collaborations and partnerships with industry, such as corporate members of the Industrial Liaison Program and the MIT Innovation Ecosystem. So at Startup Exchange, we focus on startups that have a strong connection with the Institute. And this connection might come either through the founding team, the technology, as well as through their affiliation to some of our peers on campus, who vet and support the startups throughout the year, such as Start.Nano or MIT C-Sale Startup Connect Plus, just to name a couple. Today, we have a network close to 1,000 startups virtually working in any sector. And this is possible because startups can come out from any part of campus, any of the 5 schools and 1 college. Some are created throughout MBAs, other courses, and there's a considerable number of companies as well graduating from the many entrepreneurship resources that exist at MIT. And there are over 80. If you'd like to learn more about them, you'll find most of them listed at orbit.mit.edu that our colleagues from the Trust Center created. Besides being sector agnostic, we are also location agnostic. So startups may be located in any part of the world, and we typically start working with them when they have a technology or a product that is ready to be tested or used in a real environment. So everything we do at Startup Exchange is to expose and connect startups and industry in a very curated way, and we also provide learning opportunities to both parties. And this includes launching calls for startups that are based on corporates' own priorities or challenges, facilitating one-on-one meetings between them, and hosting different kinds of events, such as demo days that take place virtually once a quarter, speed networking events, and startup lightning talks at forums or conferences. And the learning opportunities are provided at workshops we're starting to co-organize with our peers. So at the end of the day, the goal of all these activities is twofold. To help startups validate, to in some cases pivot, in other cases expand their customer base, and to help corporates learn about the technologies and products that are coming to the market, or speed up their internal or innovation or transformational processes, and in some cases even expand their portfolio of products and start new business lines. This slide features a small sample of the success cases we had to date that typically include proofs of concept, pilots, and in some cases even acquisitions, which is super exciting. This is Startup Exchange in a nutshell. If you'd like to learn more about it, happy to talk after the event. And before passing the word to the entrepreneurs, I'd like to invite you to some of our upcoming events. We have 3 coming up in October, a webinar, a regional event in Paris about AI, and our sustainability conference later in the month at the Marriott. And then in November, we are hosting our annual research and development conference. And with that, it is my pleasure to kick off the startup presentations. Each one will do a 7, this time is 7 minutes pitch, and later you can, during lunch, you can meet them all.